Okay, so now we're going to learn the kidney sound. Because remember, the kidney is the water element, and in order to balance out the fire element, it's a good idea to strengthen the kidneys too. So, in other words, to calm your mind, stress, or anxiety even further, working on the heart is good, but working on the kidneys and the heart together is a very good combination and very effective, provided you do this whole routine. Okay? So, the kidney movement first before we do the sound. Okay, so the kidney movement, you look up a bit, extend the spine, suspend the crown, relax your shoulders, and extend up like this. So I like to call this the lotus. Okay? Make sure whenever you put your hands up in Qigong, you always drop your shoulders down as much as possible. So chin up, opening the front of the body. And you could feel it also does something to your lower back. Okay? And then melt down. Relax the whole body, relax the shoulders, the chest. And then move forward, round the back a bit, and place your hands on your kidneys. Press your feet a little bit to come back up. Hands come here, and they shoot up, opening like a lotus. Inhaling up, relax down, exhale down. So let's do one more. Press the feet, let the hands come out from the hips here. Inhale deeply. Relax down, exhale. All through the nose for now. Press the feet, inhale. And exhale down, relax. Okay, bend as much as you need to. You don't have to go far. Just enough to gently stretch the lower back. So you don't crunch your back. You're always suspending the head in a way. Okay, and gently stretching the back. Okay, now the sound is CHUueeyy, commonly spelled as CHUI, but pronounced as CHUueeyy. Okay, CHUueeyy. But since we say it subvocally, it's going to sound a bit different. So this is how it sounds like for me. So it may sound a bit more like CHUueeyy, but inside you're saying CHUueeyy. Okay? So one more time. Inhale. All right. So ready? Inhale, let the fingers float up, lifting gently, suspending the crown, opening the spine and chest. Inhale deeply and relax down. Let the sound guide you for the pace of the movement. Press the feet a little bit to swing back up. Inhale. Inhale deeply, coming up. Inhale. Relax down. Last one, inhale. And we close the same way as for the heart. Inhale. And melt the front of the face once your hands reach that part. Melt the throat, the chest, solar plexus, belly, exhaling down, hips, thighs, knees, ankles, feet. And then if you've gone a bit low at this part, you can suspend the head again. And take a moment with the palms down to observe the body. Observe how you feel. Observe your kidneys, the kidney area, for any sensations. And just observe and relax for as long as you need. A few minutes is enough. So we typically do each sound 6 times each, but if you get lost a little and do 5 or 7, it's okay. Once you've learned how to do them, you can skip the preparations and just go straight to the final moves that I've just taught you. Now that you know the kidney sound, you can practice the heart and the kidneys together, ideally. Okay? Do the heart first and the kidneys after. And at the end, when you're done, you can also put your hands on your dantian to close a qigong session. So when you're done with the session, whatever you've done, hands on the dantian, and once again, just observe. So below your belly button, hands together. You can lock your thumbs if you want. And just breathe and observe. Thank you for joining me.